Hello my dear students. In today's video, we are going to study how do we find the sum of all interior angles in a polygon. Hence, we know that if there is a triangle, what would be the sum of all interior angles in this triangle is 180 degree. We know it, right? And if we go for this rectangle, or we can call it quadrilateral, because it has 4 sides, that's why we call it quadrilateral, because we know, as we discussed in our grade 7, that quad means 4. Triangle, tri means 3. It means 3 sides. 4 sides, quadrilateral. And we know angle sum is 360 degree. Have you ever listened or think about why we got this 360 here? In grade 7 we discussed, beta, if we split this, if we draw any diagonal from one vertex to another vertex, we will get 2 triangles. And triangle 1, this A, B, C is the first triangle, and C, D, A is the second triangle. It means 2 triangles we got. We can write that 2 multiplied by 180 degree. That's why we got 360 degree. Let's move. If we want to find more than 4 sides of a polygon. What is this polygon we discussed? Let us revise. This poly means that we discuss many. It means any closed figure that has many sides. It means more than 3 sides we call polygon. Yes. Let us move further for pentagon. If we go for pentagon, it means having how many sides? 5 sides. How many sides a pentagon has? 5 sides. So now I'll choose this vertex to make triangles. First diagonal and second diagonal. I have meet B and E, and they here B and D. How many triangles do I get? 1, 2 and 3. 3 triangles. It means 3 multiplied by 180 degree. It will be 540 degree. It means sum of all interior angles in a pentagon is 540 degree. Yes, we can write sum of all interior angles in pentagon is 540 degree. Yes. If we move for hexagon, how many sides a hexagon has? 6 sides. We know it. This hexagon has 6 sides. So if we want to find total sum angle, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6, what is the sum of all angles? The same method we'll use. This vertex, choose any vertex. You can choose this vertex as well, this vertex as well. Any vertex you can choose to draw diagonals. I am choosing this one. Okay, now we'll choose this. First diagonal, second diagonal and third diagonal. I have drawn 3 diagonals and I got how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 triangles by drawing these diagonals. 4 triangles means 4 multiplied by 180 degree. It means total, what do I get? Think. When we multiply it, we'll get 720 degrees. It means sum of all interior angles in hexagon will be 720 degree. Yes. So what is the general rule we understood by this? How do we get sum of all interior angles if we have many sides? Here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. We have to find a 11-sided closed figure. Then when there will be a long and bigger unit, a general rule or formula you can say for finding sum of all interior angles in polygon will be n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees, where this n is number of sides. Yes, let us try this formula on any polygon. Let us check this one. Should I check this one? Hexagon. In hexagon, we are trying this formula. N minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. How many sides a hexagon has? 6 sides. We are putting the value 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. When we solve this, 6 minus 2, it will be 4 multiplied by 180 degree. What do I get? 720 degree. Yes, this is the same answer what we got here and what we got here. So this is the formula wherever we use to find out the sum of all interior angles in any polygon. Okay.